Being single doesn't mean you can't eat a proper meal at home. Ditch the takeouts, save money, and make some of these cheap meals. Pasta with tomato sauce. Cook pasta according to package instructions, and heat up some canned tomato sauce. Mix together and add some grated cheese if you like. Omelette. Beat some eggs with a bit of milk, and cook them in a non-stick pan with your choice of fillings, such as cheese, vegetables, or ham. Stir fry. Cut up some vegetables and meat, and stir fry them in a bit of oil. Serve over rice or noodles. Tuna salad. Mix together canned tuna, mayonnaise, diced onion, and chopped celery. Baked potato. Bake a potato in the oven or microwave, and top with butter, sour cream, and grated cheese. Chili. Brown some ground beef or turkey in a pot, and add canned tomatoes, beans, and chili powder. Simmer until heated through. Grilled cheese sandwich. Spread some butter on bread, add a slice of cheese, and grill in a pan until the cheese is melted. Soup. Heat up some canned or homemade soup, such as tomato or chicken noodle. Fried rice. Cook some rice, and stir fry it with vegetables, eggs, and meat.